Vinyasa Yoga. Flowing with breath and movement. Vinyasa Yoga is a dynamic and fluid style of yoga that links breath with movement, creating a continuous flow of postures. Often referred to as flow yoga, Vinyasa emphasizes smooth transitions and seamless connections between each asana, pose, while maintaining deep, mindful breathing. Unlike other yoga styles that may hold poses for a more extended period, Vinyasa is characterized by its rhythmic and energetic pace, offering physical and mental benefits. What is Vinyasa Yoga? Vinyasa Yoga is a style of yoga that involves flowing movements synchronized with the breath. The term, Vinyasa, is derived from two Sanskrit words, Vi, meaning, in a special way, and Nyasa, meaning, to place. In Vinyasa Yoga, the body is moved in a specific, mindful way with every inhalation and exhalation, creating a seamless and harmonious flow from one posture to the next. Critical benefits of Vinyasa Yoga. Vinyasa Yoga offers many benefits, making it an ideal practice for those seeking a balanced and holistic workout. Some of the key benefits include improved flexibility. The fluid nature of Vinyasa Yoga encourages deep stretching, helping to increase flexibility in the muscles and joints. You'll notice an improved range of motion with consistent practice, particularly in areas like the hamstrings, hips, and shoulders. 2. Increased strength. Vinyasa Yoga strengthens the core and the limbs. Postures like plank, chaturanga, and downward-facing dogs engage multiple muscle groups, helping to build endurance and muscle tone over time. 3. Enhanced cardiovascular health. The continuous flow of movement in Vinyasa Yoga generates heat in the body and increases heart rate, providing a cardiovascular workout. You improve your circulation and stamina as you move through each pose with your breath. 4. Stress relief and mental clarity. Linking breath with movement in Vinyasa Yoga cultivates mindfulness and focus. This flow encourages you to be fully present in the moment, which helps reduce stress, anxiety, and mental clutter. It also fosters a sense of calm and relaxation, making it an excellent practice for mental clarity and emotional well-being. 5. Better balance and coordination. Vinyasa Yoga requires concentration, coordination, and balance as you transition from one posture to the next. These elements help you develop better spatial awareness and body alignment, which can improve overall balance and posture. Tips for practicing Vinyasa Yoga. Vinyasa Yoga can be both energizing and challenging, but it's essential to approach it with mindfulness and patience. Here are some practical tips to help you enhance your practice and get the most out of Vinyasa Yoga. Focus on your breath. Breath is the foundation of Vinyasa Yoga. Pay attention to your inhales and exhales as you move through the poses. Inhale to expand, open the body, and exhale to deepen the stretch or release tension. If you lose track of your breath, gently return to the rhythm of your inhales and exhales to stay centered and present. 2. Move with intention. The beauty of Vinyasa Yoga lies in its fluidity, but it's important not to rush through the poses. Move with purpose and intention, allowing each movement to be guided by your breath. Avoid moving too quickly from one posture to the next. Take the time to feel and experience each transition. 3. Start with the basics. If you're new to Vinyasa Yoga, it's essential to build a strong foundation before advancing to more complex sequences. Begin with basic poses such as downward-facing dog, plank, and cobra, and focus on perfecting your alignment and breath. You can gradually explore more advanced variations once you feel comfortable with these foundational poses. 4. Listen to your body. Vinyasa Yoga can be intense, especially during faster-paced classes. Always listen to your body and honor its limits. If a pose feels too challenging or uncomfortable, take a break or modify the pose to suit your needs. Remember, yoga is not about perfection, it is about creating a practice that works for you. 5. Stay present and mindful. Vinyasa Yoga is as much about the mind as it is about the body. Stay mindful of your thoughts and sensations as you move through the flow. Try not to get distracted by external factors or your inner dialogue. The more present you are, the deeper your practice will become. Conclusion. Vinyasa Yoga is a powerful practice that combines movement, breath, and mindfulness to create a holistic workout for the body and mind. By linking breath with each movement, practitioners flow through a sequence of poses that promote flexibility, strength, cardiovascular health, and mental clarity. Whether you want to enhance your fitness or reduce stress, Vinyasa Yoga offers a transformative practice supporting overall well-being.